Business owners, are you still relying on traditional TV, radio, or podcast placements, hoping your message reaches the right audience at the right time? Maybe you've bought an ad on a local station once or twice, or paid to be mentioned on a podcast that sounded promising, only to realize you didn't know if anyone actually heard it, or worse, if it made any real impact. The truth is, most advertising today is built on outdated models, on-off placements, limited reach, no clear targeting, no real tracking. You spend your hard-earned dollars hoping for awareness, but you're left guessing, with no way to prove if it worked. That's why we built Influence Crafters, to change the way smart businesses approach TV, radio, and digital media. We're not a local station with only local inventory. We're not a podcast network with only one or two shows. We're a performance-driven media buying agency. Our media inventory is wholesale, and our campaigns are built to make your business visible, trackable, and scalable on the platforms your customers are already watching and listening to across the United States. Let's talk about what that really means. When you work with Influence Crafters, you're getting access to an inventory of over 800 major media outlets. And that's not just fluff. That includes streaming platforms like Hulu, Peacock, and ESPN. It includes networks like A&E, Fox Sports, Tubi, and hundreds of others. It also includes key affiliates in key markets like KHOU, the CBS affiliate serving Houston, ABC 10 in San Diego, KTLA in Los Angeles, Denver 7, and many more. These aren't random placements. These are the exact channels your customers trust for news, sports, and entertainment. And it doesn't stop at TV and CTV. Our campaigns are also deployed across a curated network of radio stations including WMJX in Boston, WLS 890 in Chicago, WSTR Atlanta, and other key markets. Whether your customer is in their car, at home, or on their phone, we make sure your message is showing up where they already are, across platforms, devices, and moments. Now, let's talk about scale. The potential market reach is in the millions across markets in every major city in the United States, with the ability to reach millions of people each week. That's your total addressable audience. From there, we drill down using advanced behavioral, demographic, and geographic targeting. We don't just cast a wide net. We use data to isolate the exact households and decision-makers most likely to respond to your offer. If you run a family-focused business, we'll target adults aged 30 to 55 with kids at home, located within 10 to 15 miles of your storefront. Want high-income households? We can filter for income levels starting at $75,000 and scale upward. Targeting by language? No problem. We'll place your ad on Univision, Regional FM, or any Spanish-language content stream. And if your ideal customer is watching ESPN late at night and visiting news sites in the morning, we'll reach them across both. Our media campaigns don't stop with TV and radio. Your ads are also placed on thousands of high-traffic websites, both national and hyper-local if your brand calls for that level of targeting. We use behavior-based ad placement to position your brand on relevant content across platforms like CNN, Forbes, and industry-specific blogs, all backed by real-time data. You'll also benefit from smart retargeting, meaning people who visit your site will see your brand again later, keeping you top of mind. But what really makes this different is how we manage your campaign communication. Once you're onboarded, you'll receive access to your private client data room. This is your centralized space for everything related to your campaign. You'll be able to upload logos, brand collateral, or any video content you want used. You can request revisions at any time, submit feedback, and even chat directly with our team if you have questions, adjustments, or ideas. Your performance data will also live here, updated regularly so you can track how your campaign is performing without waiting for a report. This replaces the need for messy email chains or multiple document links. Everything is in one place, organized and accessible 24/7. Now, let's walk through how you get started, because we've made this as fast and frictionless as possible. Once you approve your proposal, you'll be redirected to a secure, Stripe-powered checkout page. This page displays your campaign fee and any selected upgrades, like video production or additional platform boosts. You'll receive a clean, itemized receipt with no surprises. From there, you'll be directed to our onboarding form. This step captures the essential targeting info: your service area, your customer profile, the tone of your message, and any existing creative or assets you'd like us to use. The form takes under 10 minutes. Next, our success team schedules your kickoff call. This call is where we finalize your campaign strategy and lock in all creative decisions. But we also handle a critical operational step here. Your media ad spend invoice will be created and sent during this meeting. This invoice is separate from the initial sign-up fee and reflects the actual media buying budget for your campaign, based on final targeting and scope. Before we begin production, we also want to be fully transparent about how our billing model works, because it's very different from how traditional TV and radio ad agencies operate. Most traditional ad agencies charge from 15 to 35% of your ad spend. That means their job is to convince you to spend more, not necessarily to make your campaign more effective. You'll often get handed off after the sale, left with no insight and no ownership of the strategy. We do it differently. At Influence Crafters, we charge a flat monthly management fee. That covers everything outside of raw media, including campaign planning, creative strategy, setup, reporting infrastructure, performance reviews, and ongoing support from our team. It's predictable, consistent, and designed to make sure your goals drive the campaign, not high agency fees. Your media ad spend? That's kept completely separate, and 100% of it goes directly toward placements on the channels, networks, and platforms we've agreed on. You'll always know exactly where your dollars are going, because that's how it should be. Once everything's aligned, we begin building. Most campaigns go live within 5 to 7 business days, including custom creative production when needed. Throughout that process, everything, from concepts to drafts to launch updates, is managed inside your private data room. It's simple, streamlined, and fully transparent. There are no hidden fees, no vague invoices, and no long-term contracts. Want to renew? Great. Want to pause or adjust your campaign? Just let us know. We only need 14 days notice. We also offer quarterly strategy reviews for any client looking to scale, expand to new markets, or test new creative approaches over time. So here's the real question. Do you want to keep spending money on one-off placements that leave you in the dark? Or are you ready to run campaigns that are accountable, data-driven, and built to win? At Influence Crafters, we help businesses and brands dominate their market with national quality media buying at rates designed for Main Street, not Madison Avenue. Go to iCrafters.com right now to try our free budget calculator. You can preview your reach before we ever speak. Or talk to one of our field reps to book a discovery call today and get your brand in front of thousands of verified viewers and listeners, backed by strategy, targeting, and campaign clarity. This is how advertising should work. We're Influence Crafters, and we're ready when you are.